got. Line 'em up, we don't ever say stop. Bust the moves, so wear your dancing shoes. Can you shake it? Maybe we'll step a little out of line, but we can't slow down, gotta have a good time. Gonna grease the wheels, tell me how it feels. Come and get the feels.
GE Portable Air Conditioners offer 3-in-1 functionality for exceptional comfort every day. Available in a wide range of cooling capacities, the units are easy to operate and install and are remote controlled. The clever design means you never have to drain excess water, while auto louvers distribute air evenly for comfortable temperatures throughout the room. GE Air Conditioners, comfort you can rely on.
Honeywell 8000 BTU Smart Wi-Fi Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, and Fan offers 3-in-1 cooling with Alexa voice control. The powerful cooling gives you relief in the spring and summer. The dehumidifier is perfect for humid days and can remove up to 60 pints over the course of 24 hours with a continuous drain tube for long unattended operation. And the fan has been added for everyday comfort. The simple digital controls with 3 fan speeds and 24-hour energy-saving timer are at the top of the unit. A remote has been included for added convenience. And with the smart Wi-Fi control, you can access the unit's functions from anywhere using your smartphone or even voice commands with Amazon Alexa. This unit is perfect for targeted spot cooling in rooms as big as 350 square feet and can save you money on electricity bills by cooling only the room you need as opposed to using your whole house central air conditioner.